y'all, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing very well on today. I was sent this wig from Supernova Hair. They sent me out their 99J curly lace frontal unit. I have a 22-inch and a 200% density. It has 3 combs, an adjustable band. I did attempt to bleach my knots. I wanted to just see if they were going to change or not, and they didn't. So that was not a big deal for me. I already kind of figured they wasn't, but I just was curious to see. So right here, I saw that I was having a little issue. The wig itself wasn't fitting around my hairline all that well. It was to the point where I had to leave one side up. Like I had to really finesse this wig. So you all will see that come up. But I did let them know that I was a medium size cap, which is a 22-inch circumference, or at least I'm a 22-inch. So I am in the range of a medium cap, and the size, as you can see, it's not giving me enough room on the sides. So if you are interested in this wig, I would definitely suggest you to go up a size in this wig. Also, if I could make a suggestion to Supernova, I would suggest them to bring the size down and make the wigs a tad bit bigger, because this one it didn't go well with my hairline at all. Like I literally had to leave one side lifted up right there on the right side. Y'all know I love me a good old side part. Y'all, this hair is super pretty. Like the curls are super tight. It almost reminds me of kinky curly, but it's not as tight as kinky curly, so it's like close to it. But y'all, this is so pretty. Y'all know I would rock my hair like this. How many of y'all would rock your hair like this? Like combed out, bushed out. I would so do this. I'm gonna do this one day. I'm gonna have to find the right outfit and the right occasion to wear it like this. But yes, I love how big it is. Right here, I'm getting ready to take just a few pieces of hair or sections, and I'm gonna use my crimper. This is a crimper by Ion, and I got mine from Sally's Beauty. I'm just going at the root and crimping it just to add a little wave to it. Since this hair is like super curly, I just wanted to add some extra definition to the roots. So that's why I'm doing this. You, of course, don't have to do this, but this is just something that I do when I want that extra definition, that extra pop at the root. I do this before I wet my hair. That way, when I go in to wet my hair, it'll all just blend in nice and seamlessly. Is it a lid in? Anyways, I am defining the curls on the wig with water only. I just used water today, and I'm using this little brush. I got it from one of the hair companies. They had it in their packaging. It's very handy, but it's like one of those detangler brushes that you can definitely find at your local beauty supply store or like at Sally's Beauty, Amazon. It's easy to find. Look how pretty those curls are, y'all. Now, if you like your hair like this, or you like your hair to stay defined throughout the day, definitely add you some product. Me, I'm a biggie with no product, and plus I like my hair to be wild and free looking. I don't mind frizz at all. I actually welcome frizz, so I didn't add any products. But if you like a tame look, please add you some products. Right here, I'm just adding my concealer to my part to make it pop more. And right here, I got impatient and wanted my hair to be dry. And I wanted it to get a little bit bigger before the video ended, so I went ahead and blow dry my hair. I think I'm using high heat because I wanted it to go ahead and dry. Alright, y'all, but this is a wrap for the video. The hair is so freaking cute. If you're interested, all of the information is down below for you. Be sure to check them out. Thank you so much, Supernova, for letting me try out this hair. It was really nice. I loved it. My only issue was that it fit a little bit small, but other than that, everything was nice. Thank y'all so much for watching this video, and I'm going to talk to you guys in the next one. Love y'all so much. Bye.